The Himalayas, a name synonymous with towering peaks, snow-capped summits, and a raw, untamed beauty that has captivated explorers and adventurers for centuries. Stretching across the Asian continent, this colossal mountain range serves as a natural barrier between the Indian subcontinent and the Tibetan Plateau. Home to the highest peaks on Earth, including the legendary Mount Everest, the Himalayas are a testament to the immense power of nature. The Himalayas are more than just mountains. They are a vital source of life, giving birth to mighty rivers that sustain billions of people downstream. Their slopes are cloaked in diverse ecosystems, from lush forests to alpine meadows, providing sanctuary to a wealth of unique and endangered species. These mountains hold a profound spiritual significance for the people living in their shadows, inspiring awe and reverence for generations. The Himalayas are also a cradle of biodiversity, hosting an array of flora and fauna that are found nowhere else on Earth. The snow leopards, red pandas, and countless other species thrive in this unique environment. For the local communities, these mountains are not just a backdrop, but a living, breathing entity that shapes their culture, traditions, and way of life. The monasteries and temples nestled in the mountains stand as a testament to the deep spiritual connection between the people and the Himalayas, inspiring awe and reverence for generations. The story of the Himalayas begins millions of years ago, long before humans walked the Earth, in an era when the planet was a vastly different place. Picture, if you will, the Earth's surface as a giant jigsaw puzzle, with massive plates constantly shifting and colliding, driven by forces deep within the planet. Around 50 million years ago, the Indian plate began its slow but relentless northward drift towards the Eurasian plate, a journey that would reshape the world. This collision, a geological tango of unimaginable scale, marked the birth of the Himalayas, a process that would take millions of years to unfold. As the two plates collided, the immense pressure generated by their convergence forced the land to buckle, fold, and uplift, creating towering peaks and deep valleys. Over millions of years, this relentless process thrust the Himalayas skyward, creating some of the highest peaks on our planet, including the majestic Mount Everest. The collision continues to this day, albeit at a glacial pace, causing the Himalayas to grow taller by a few millimeters each year, a testament to the ongoing power of tectonic forces. The formation of the Himalayas is a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet, a constant reminder that Earth's surface is in a perpetual state of change, ever evolving and reshaping itself. The Himalayas are not merely a single mountain range, but a complex system of ranges, valleys, glaciers, and rivers. Spanning over 2,400 kilometers, or 1,500 miles, across 5 countries: India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, and Pakistan. The Himalayas boast a geographical diversity as awe-inspiring as their towering peaks. The range is home to 3 parallel ranges: the Greater Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas, and the Outer Himalayas. The Greater Himalayas, as their name suggests, contain the highest peaks, including Mount Everest, K2, and Kangchenjunga. The Lesser Himalayas, lying south of the Greater Himalayas, are characterized by lower peaks and verdant valleys. The Outer Himalayas, the southernmost range, gradually transition into the plains of India. This complex topography, shaped by millennia of geological activity, creates a breathtaking tapestry of landscapes, each with its unique charm and challenges. The Himalayas have earned the moniker Roof of the World for a reason. This majestic mountain range stretches across 5 countries: Bhutan, China, India, Nepal, and Pakistan. They are home to the highest concentration of peaks, exceeding 8,000 meters, or 26,247 feet above sea level, including the legendary Mount Everest, standing tall at a staggering 8,848.86 meters, or 29,031.7 feet. This colossal peak has been a beacon for adventurers and climbers from around the globe. These peaks, piercing the sky with their snow-capped summits, are a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. The dramatic landscapes, often shrouded in clouds, create a mystical and almost otherworldly atmosphere. But the Himalayas are more than just Everest. This vast range is a treasure trove of natural beauty and biodiversity. The range boasts numerous other iconic peaks, each with its own allure and challenges for climbers. Peaks like Lhotse and Makalu stand as formidable giants, each with unique climbing routes and breathtaking vistas. K2, the world's second highest mountain, is renowned for its technical difficulty, often referred to as the Savage Mountain due to its treacherous conditions. While Kangchenjunga, the third highest, holds a special place in the hearts of the local people, who consider it sacred. This mountain is often enveloped in spiritual significance and local folklore. The Himalayas are a paradise for mountaineers, offering a lifetime's worth of challenges and rewards. From the bustling base camps to the serene summits, every journey in these mountains is a story of perseverance and triumph. Section 5. Life in thin air. Despite the harsh conditions of high altitude and thin air, the Himalayas are teeming with life. The region's diverse ecosystems, ranging from subtropical forests at lower elevations to alpine meadows and glacial landscapes higher up, support a remarkable array of flora and fauna. Each altitudinal zone harbors unique species adapted to the specific challenges of their environment. In the lower reaches, lush forests of rhododendrons, oaks, and pines provide habitat to tigers, elephants, and numerous bird species. As you ascend, the vegetation transitions to alpine meadows, home to grazing animals like blue sheep and Himalayan tahr. Higher still, in the realm of snow and ice, live elusive creatures like the snow leopard, perfectly adapted to the harsh conditions with its thick fur and powerful build. Section 6. Guardians of the Himalayas. The Himalayas are not just a geographical wonder, but also a cultural and spiritual heartland for millions of people. For centuries, the indigenous communities of the Himalayas have lived in harmony with nature, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the mountains. These communities have developed unique traditions and beliefs, often centered around the mountain's spiritual significance. The Himalayas are dotted with ancient monasteries and temples, testaments to the region's rich spiritual heritage. Buddhism, Hinduism, and animism are deeply rooted in the Himalayas, shaping the lives and beliefs of the people. These communities view the mountains not just as a source of sustenance, but also as sacred entities deserving of respect and protection. Section 7. The future of a mountain range. The Himalayas, despite their immense size and power, are facing increasing threats, many of them stemming from human activities. Climate change, deforestation, pollution, and unsustainable tourism are taking a toll on this fragile ecosystem. Glaciers are receding at an alarming rate, threatening the water security of millions downstream. Protecting the Himalayas requires a concerted effort from governments, communities, and individuals. Promoting sustainable tourism, supporting local conservation efforts, and raising awareness about the importance of preserving this natural wonder are crucial steps in the right direction. The future of the Himalayas depends on our collective action today. Section 8. Exploring the heights. For adventurers and nature enthusiasts, the Himalayas offer a wealth of opportunities for exploration and discovery. From challenging treks through breathtaking landscapes to exhilarating mountaineering expeditions, the Himalayas cater to a wide range of interests and abilities. Well-known trekking routes, such as the Everest Base Camp Trek in Nepal and the Annapurna Circuit, offer a glimpse into the heart of the Himalayas, allowing trekkers to experience the region's stunning beauty and unique culture firsthand. For the more adventurous, climbing expeditions to the numerous peaks offer the ultimate test of human endurance and spirit. The Himalayas are not immune to the impacts of human activities. The increasing influx of tourists, while boosting local economies, also brings challenges, such as waste management and cultural preservation. It is crucial to ensure that tourism is developed sustainably, minimizing negative impacts and maximizing benefits for local communities. Supporting local businesses, respecting local customs and traditions, and minimizing our environmental footprint are essential aspects of responsible travel in the Himalayas. By being mindful travelers, we can contribute to the preservation of this unique region for generations to come. Section 10. A timeless wonder. The Himalayas, with their towering peaks, diverse ecosystems, and rich cultural heritage, stand as a testament to the awe-inspiring power and beauty of the natural world. These mountains have captivated the human imagination for centuries, inspiring countless tales of adventure, spirituality, and discovery. As we face the challenges of the 21st century, let the Himalayas serve as a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet's natural wonders for generations to come. May their majestic presence inspire us to act as responsible stewards of our planet, ensuring that future generations can experience the awe and wonder of the Himalayas.